Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays and the Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about refrigerators. So as you know, when you have a fabulous kitchen as this is, having a wider refrigerator obviously makes your home look more luxury. So this is a 72-inch space for a refrigerator, and instead of purchasing a single refrigerator with a freezer refrigerator side, it is more economical to purchase a single fridge like this and then a single freezer like this, and then put them together as a kit. And the reason for this is that if you have like one side go out, like the freezer, you don't have to replace the entire refrigerator. You can just replace the freezer itself or get the freezer just fixed. So it turns out to be more economical, but it still gives you the great luxury fancy look, but for less expensive, which is key. And I hope everyone is living just fancier.